Hello and welcome to this daily yoga flow. Today class is a full body practice to help you support your day. When you are ready, let's begin. Sit in any comfortable cross-leg position. Place your hands on your knee, close your eyes, lengthen your spine. Take a moment to tune in your body with your breath. Take a slow deep inhale through the nose and fill up the lungs. Exhale out completely. Relax your whole body. Slowly open your eyes. Now start to roll your neck in circular motion, one time in clockwise. Feel the stretch around the neck. Now we will switch anti-clockwise. Keep movement very slow and smooth. Slowly come up. With inhale, reach the arm up. When you exhale, twist your body to the left side. Place left hand behind you, right hand on your knee. Stay here and feel a gentle twisting through your spine and chest. Focus on your breath. Come back, inhale, reach the arm up. As you exhale, twist to the right side. Feel a gentle twisting through your spine. Slowly come back to the center. Now come into tabletop position. Hands under shoulder, knee under hip, spine neutral. Spread your fingers and gently start rocking your body from side to side to warm up the wrist. Now shift your weight to the left hand, make a fist with right hand and start rolling out your wrist. We will switch, place the right hand back, shift your weight to the right hand, start rolling out your left hand. Place your left hand back to the center. When you inhale, arch your spine, open your chest, look up for cow pose. As you exhale, round your spine, push the floor away, tuck your chin to the chest for cat pose. Keep moving with your breath and feel the stretch. One more last time. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly back to the center. With inhale, reach the right arm up, open your chest. As you exhale, slide it under the left shoulder, lower your right shoulder and head down on the mat. Option to stay here or you can reach the left arm over the head. Stay here. Feel a stretch through your upper back and shoulder. Slowly come up. With inhale, lift the left arm up, open your chest. As you exhale, slide it under the right shoulder. Option to stay here or you can reach the right arm over the head. Stay here, focus on your breath. Slowly come up. Now walk your hands forward. Keep your hips over the knee. Sink your chest down. Rest your forehead or chin on the mat for the puppy pose. Stay here. Breathe deeply. And feel the stretch in your chest and shoulder. Press through your hands, shift forward, lie down on your belly, your hands on the shoulder, forearm resting on the mat. Press through your forearm, lift your chest up, roll your shoulder back, and feel a gentle compression in your spine and opening through your chest. Stay here. Bring your hands close to your chest, press through your hands, send your hips up and back for downward facing dog. Relax your head between your arms. Lengthen your spine by sending your hips back and start pedaling your leg one by one. Feel the stretch in your calf. Now stop pedaling. With inhale, lift your right leg up. As you exhale, bring it forward, step it between your hand for low lunge, lower your back knee, reach the arm up and feel a gentle stretch in your left hip flexor. Stay here. Now place your hands down, straight your front leg, flex your foot for half split. Option to stay here, or for more deeper stretch, fold over the front leg and feel a stretch in your calf and hamstring. Slowly come up, rebend your knees, step back to the downward facing dog. We will switch. With inhale, lift your left leg up. As you exhale, step it forward between your hands for low lunge, reach the arm up. Feel the stretch in your right hip flexor. Stay here. Place your hands back on the mat, straight your front leg, flex your foot for half split. Option to stay here or fold over your front leg for deeper stretch. Focus on your breath. Slowly rebend your knee, step back to the downward facing dog. From here, first drop your knees, sink your hips back for child pose, your big toes touching together. Option to keep your knees together or you open them wide. Walk your hands forward. Rest your forehead on the mat for child pose. Relax your body and feel a stretch in your lower back and hip. Stay here. Take a slow deep inhale through the nose and cleansing out from the mouth. Slowly lift yourself up. Namaste. How you feeling after the class? I hope you enjoy it. Take care and see you next time.